to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Hi guys, my name is Mehak. I'm from Panchkula.
And I'm here with the big news from our campus.
We have got placed at Arvind Fashion Limited, one of India's leading lifestyle and fashion company.
And I'm very excited to join my new journey with the Arvind Fashion Limited and learning new things and contributing to the organization.
It truly feels amazing to step into the world of fashion. Moreover, a space with full of creativity, innovation and endless opportunities to grow.
We have always learned how businesses grow, how brands work, and now we have getting a chance to apply all of that in the real world.
Therefore, I deeply thank to my college, my teachers and training and placement cell for their constant support and guidance.
Thanks to MMDU.
Thanks to MMDU.
Thanks to MMDU.